Hi, hello, my loving people. Welcome to today's episode. ముందుగా తెలుగు వారందరికీ నా నమస్కారం. అదే కదండి మన సంస్కారం. టుడే ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు ప్రిపేర్ ఆలూ బోండా. Come on, let's start the process.
The main ingredients for this recipe: potatoes, red chili powder, besan flour, salt, chaat masala, baking soda, coriander, garam masala, cumin seeds, oil and water. For boiling potatoes, take a pressure cooker. Make sure all potatoes are completely submerged in a water. Cover the lid of the pressure cooker. After 3 whistles on a high flame, switch off the stove. Now, boiled potatoes are ready to use. For making potato masala, take a mixing bowl. Add mashed potatoes. Now add cumin seeds, red chili powder, garam masala, chaat masala, salt and coriander. Now mix it well. Now make a small balls from the prepared aloo masala. For preparing batter, take a large mixing bowl, add basin flour. Add cumin seeds. Baking soda. Salt. Now add some water and mix it well. The batter must be thick. Take a deep pan, add the oil to it. Once oil gets heated, dip into prepared batter, coat it in all sides and deep fry in a hot oil. Make sure to stir occasionally, keeping the flame on medium heat. Fry till the bonda turns golden and crispy. Now you can serve this aloo bonda along with tomato sauce.
Thanks for watching today's episode.